the limitations of conventional tubes. That is the problems which we face when the conventional tubes are used at very high frequencies, that is microwave frequencies. The first problem is the circuit condition may not be satisfied at microwave frequencies. So what will happen if the circuit condition is not satisfied? The conventional tube may not work properly. The second problem is inter-electrode capacitance effect. We know that when the frequency increases, the reactance decreases. So the output will decrease due to shunting effect. The next, that is, the output will be less. The next drawback is lead inductance effect. As the frequency increases, the inductance effect, the reactance effect will increase. So the voltage at the electrodes are less than the voltage at the base pin. So the gain of the tube will decrease at higher frequencies. The next limitation is transient time effect. At very high frequency, there is a delay between change in current with respect to change in voltage. So the gain will become a complex quantity and the real gain decreases. Real gain of the tube will decrease. The next drawback is gain bandwidth limitation. We know that the gain bandwidth product is constant for a particular tube. So to get high gain at high bandwidth, we have to use some extra circuits. So we have to use some extra circuits to get a high gain at microwave frequencies. The next drawback is skin effect increases at higher frequencies. The next limitation is dielectric loss also increases with the increase in frequency. You know that in a device we use many dielectric materials, so the power loss will increase with the increase in frequency. The power loss due to these dielectric materials also increases with the increase in frequency. The next limitation is radiation loss also increases in frequency. Radiation loss of the conductor will also be high at microwave frequencies.